everybody, it's Carol Belling, your instructor for CTE 415 Microcomputer Applications. This is our course calendar, and when I look at it, it looks really plain. I start to think, what have I forgotten? I just have this first week ready for you right now. I'll have more shortly because I know what I'm doing. You just have to get your lesson plan lecture together, and then I'll modify for the assignments down here and give you more details. Anyhow, this will keep you busy initially while I finish building out the rest of the course. Okay, so the first 2 weeks, I'm getting you calibrated with all the tools that I use and how I teach the online class. And you have this assignment. It's going to be in Blackboard, right here. And then you also have a week 2 deliverable in Blackboard. And then after that, we go into using MindTap for you to learn the skills and then assignments related to what you've learned above. So you'll do MindTap, you'll learn some stuff in Word, and then you'll create a Word lesson, which would be a lesson you would teach if you were teaching a computer literacy course. If there's any non-teaching majors in the class, would you shoot me an email and let me know? Because I'm assuming everybody in here is going into teaching business or teaching in general. Okay, I should check my course. I don't know. I thought I looked through the students in the course and the names all look familiar, but I will let me know if there's a non-teaching person in the course, which is totally fine. I just will probably change things for you. Anyway, once you set up your MindTap account, the MindTap course is all set up. So you can start working and work through as much as you want, get ahead as much as you want. And then I will come in with these Blackboard assignments. There's 4, 5, and they explain how to set up your Weebly within the next week or 2. So that's kind of it for right now. Really, your first week is going to be to do these tasks, and I'll have the week 1 deliverable in Blackboard. Plus, in the Blackboard tour, I'll show you how to go to Common Curriculum, and see the actual lesson. Like, Common Curriculum is the same as coming to class. Since you don't come to class, you go to Common Curriculum, and that's where I teach you everything with videos and like the one you're watching now. Okay, so long story short, just a little bit started here. This is the lay of the land, and I'll get you more details on the Blackboard assignments. The MindTap is done and ready to go. All right, very cool. Talk to you more soon.